Bam! Pickle Projects. All right, ladies and gentlemen. You've been waiting this long, so you get to see the final before. Cleaned the entire floor, reinstalled drywall, so tomorrow Chris is coming to put in our new flooring. Floor is clean. Well, as clean as it's gonna be. It's just wood, so, and stuff's going on top of it, so it doesn't have to be like clean, but this is our bathroom before. Toilet's still in the bathtub. Also, I got this really cool mechanism here. I nailed a piece of drywall to the door frame so I keep this door closed, because there's no door frame, just a door. There you have it. There's a dusty mirror. It's dust everywhere. See you tomorrow. Pickle Projects!
What are we gonna go see, Matt?
We're gonna go see our new floor. Oh man.
Look how good it looks.
Yeah. I can't walk on it yet. It's thin setting.
Do you have anything else to say?
I'm excited that it looks even better in person. Like, it's so exciting. I just feel good. Oh look on the bottom of the.
I know, I see.
There.
Okay, I'm gonna stop it now.
Okay. Pickle Projects. Check it out, you guys. The bathroom is done. Well, the floor's done. But look how pretty that is. I can walk on it. It's all smooth. So the toilet will go back there, like most toilets do. We'll take it out of the bathtub. I really like how I can walk around here. I'm just walking around. Because this is such a good job, I want to give a shout out to our tile guy, Chris Denton. If you are interested in talking with him about laying some tile, call me or message me and I'll get you his phone number. He does a great job. Stay tuned.